Hey guys, do you know how to merge two videos using Mac without any external application? So it's very quick. Using QuickTime, you can merge two videos together and it's very easy, right? So I have these two videos, part one and part two. I will have to make it a one video, right? So first open this part one and it start like this, and then come back here, drag this onto the first movie. As simple as that, right? So when you say done, this will be a new video with those two, part one and part two, clubbed together or meshed together, right? Let me see. Okay, and then say open up. Okay, so first one was how big it is. Yeah, I think it's correct. I don't think you can remove. I mean, yeah, remove all the links wherever you have, so that your website is clean and doesn't link to external sites, right? So when you provide links, make sure. Yeah, I think that's the second part. So it must absolutely fine. So thank you.